hill of hope for a destination. I realized quickly when I knew that I should, that the whole world was made of this brotherhood of men, for whatever that means. And so it crazy sometimes when I'm lying bare, just to get it all out what's in my head. And I am feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake up in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I straight for the top of my lungs. So what's going on? And I say, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I say, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I tried, oh my God, I tried all the time. In this institution, and I prayed, oh my God, I prayed, I broke the cycle day, oh my ocean. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying there, just to get it all out what's in my head. And I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake up in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream for the top of my lungs. So what's going on? And I say, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I say, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I say, oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah, yeah, what's going on? 25 years and my life is still trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination.
Pada no.
Juara satu deh.
Pada no dong, pada no.